different from
adopting.
And some guy.
My name is Leslie Jackson. I am the owner and certified nursing midwife at Berkeley Wellness Center of Arlington. And that's Crystal Strong. She is the nursing midwife there at the office, as well as Sarah. She's my office manager. And we offer maternity care as well as gynecological services. We offer Well Woman. We offer, we can do your pap smears. We can see you help me out, preconception. We do have some moms that come in that want to plan for pregnancy. And you need to know what you need to be doing to get ready to be pregnant. Also, we have a chiropractor in-house. We work with several doulas in the DFW area as well. But that's all for me. I'm not speaking.
Specialist for Empower. We specialize in community-based care for families and children. So as a community engagement specialist, I find resources for their families and for children. Right now we have a small entity and it's called Empower Dreams Foster Futures. So we are recruiting for foster families because every kid does need a home. If you are not ready to foster, that's fine. If you know anybody that may be interested in fostering, that would also be nice. We foster in we have about 9 different counties, so starting with Dallas, Ellis, Navarro, Kaufman, Hunt, Grayson, Fannin, Collin County. So like I said, if you're interested in fostering, we have some cards in the back, and like I said, if you know anybody, just let us know. Oh, also, thank you. My coworker Shayla's letting me know that we also have a luggage drive, so we're providing luggage for care, so when they're getting good enough to, we don't want them to bring a trash bag full of clothes. We want to provide actual luggage for them. So if you know anybody,
No, but I'm just letting you know that I have to make a new
Hi everybody, how are you guys doing? We are Eagle Center with infants with ear deformities and malformations. So that's like older years, constricted ears. And this is what the infant looks like whenever we have the medical device on their ear. It's like a prevention from plastic surgery later on in life. And so what we found is our Dr. Steve Berg, found that 33% of babies are born with an ear deformity of some sorts. While it is mostly cosmetic, rather than like actually preventing hearing, it is a device that just prevents surgery later on in life. And so this is what it looks like on the inside. I'll do this one. I'll do this one. This is what it looks like on the inside. You take this off. This is just a splash guard that prevents spit up and milk, breast milk from coming in, and all the other fun liquids that happen during babies. And so this right here is what's actually molding the ear. It goes in the helical ring on the outside. And then there's another device that goes on the inside, on the concha that molds the inside as well. This whole process is about a 4 to 6 week process. Some infants may take up to 8 weeks, it just depends. Every baby's different, every condition is different. But we like to see them within the first 3 weeks of life. And so while it is a quick turnaround, we like to see them as soon as possible so we can get the best results. We do work with insurance. The only insurance that we're not working right now with is Medicaid. We got approved back in January, but it's just been taking us a little while to get that, like all that integrated into our office still. We love Medicaid. But whenever it comes to all the other insurances that we take, Blue Cross Blue Shield, TRICARE, Aetna, United, Cigna, and then all the other commercial ones we take. Also HMOs, POs, and Marketplace. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to stop by or a little table over there. We'd love to answer them. You guys have a good day.
Hey y'all, I'm Riley. I am an esthetician and / chiropractic assistant at Berkeley Wellness. This is Dr. Drew, who's a chiropractor at Berkeley Wellness. We are here representing Dr. Adele Schmidt. She is very passionate in prenatal care. We have a lot of pregnant mamas that we treat currently that are about to give birth, and then we are also seeing their children afterwards. So if you think the birthing process is very traumatic for the mom and for the baby. So bringing in your baby just to get checked for, colic, lack of sleep, constipation, so if you're not interested, you guys can come in. We are offering a free 15-minute massage. No strings attached. You can just text or call the number that's on the card and say that you're interested in receiving that, and we would love to have you guys. Services that we offer, we also have massage therapy. Obviously, we do a lot of different therapies on top of your adjustment, so cupping, scraping, dry needling. We do a lot of sports recovery, so we're pretty across the board. If you want to scan our QR code, we're giving you a free 2-hour massage. So we have a drawing for that. We are located off of Preston in Dallas. So hopefully it's not too far.
There was a point that was made earlier about the care for the mamas after the pregnancy, and that is also something that we are very passionate about. So obviously the care for the pregnant mama and then the mama after the pregnancy and the baby as well. We have, like she had said, we have patients that are newborn up to as old as you can get. So we have a very wide range of patients, and she is very good and very really knowledgeable in all aspects of that.
Text or call this number.
360. So we've got 3 locations. One is in Wiley, one is in Plano, the other one is in Garden. Okay. So basically, the services we provide with our clinic is #1 primary care service. So as you have rightly mentioned that postpartum, the attention is mostly on the babies and not really, lose focus on yourself. So I think we as primary doctors, we try to make sure that we have a wellness checkup plan for you. Okay, making sure that we go do a thorough physical examination, do all the blood workups at our place, and yes, we can do the pap smears also at our facility. Okay, so I can do it. I'm the female physician working, and also there are some male providers in the clinic. But of course, with your comfort, you can get that one checked out me. Okay, so the good thing is we've got everything under one roof. We do have lab facility with us, so you can get your blood workup done at our facility. We can also have in-house imaging if at all there is a condition and a requirement. We can do imaging with our facility. Okay. We make sure that we have follow-up schedule on time so that we don't miss out anything. We also have facility of doing televisits if needed, so let's say you can't make it, we can also oblige to televisits, okay? And yes, for the urgent care, we do take patients for urgent care settings. Let's say if you are sick, before at times we're kind of nervous just directly going to the ER, right? We don't want to go to the ER directly. So in that place, I think urgent care plays a very important role, like a bridging between primary clinics and the emergency rooms. You can just come in here and let's say if you're feeling sick, under the weather, we do have flu, COVID testing available with us. You can get yourself tested, and we do take care of other stuff also. Okay. Anybody has any questions? Any questions? And yes, we do see all age groups. I myself, I'm specialized to see adult population, so I see it in adult. But yes, for let's say sick visits, I do see patients under 80 also. Okay, but there are other providers who are specialized in family medicine. I come from internal medicine background, but there are people who are under family medicine. They do see people under 10 as well. Okay, and we will be happy to give you referrals if at all you need to get referred appropriately. Okay. Any questions? Already, I think maybe I was pretty clear and precise, I guess, in my introduction already. Okay, so I hope we've got some cards at our booth down there. So if you have any questions, you can definitely give us a call back. I highly encourage that you can call, do like a prior check-in before you come and visit. That will save your time when you are in the clinic. Okay, because at times it takes time for us to authorize the insurance, run the insurance, for you to save some time. I always encourage you can just pre-check in before coming, okay, like a day before. All right, I hope you have a great day, and congratulations on all the moms here, okay? Take care.
Groups that you work with.
Yeah.